What if I told you that you could reduce your Windows 11 RAM usage from this to this? Cut down the background processes from this all the way down to just 101. Remove unnecessary apps, improve your privacy, and make your Windows look this clean. If that sounds interesting, then stick around because I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. This is a completely fresh installation of Windows 11. Like every fresh install, it comes with unnecessary apps, background services, ads, AI features, and lots of things running in the background that most people never use. So today we are going to clean all of that without breaking Windows or removing anything important. Let's get started. Before doing any kind of debloating, I highly recommend updating your PC first. No matter whose guide you are following, always install the latest updates because they include important security patches, drivers, and bug fixes. Microsoft has also added a useful feature that lets you pause updates until a specific date, which is nice if you don't want Windows updating itself at the worst possible time. The first tool we are going to use is WinToys, and honestly, this one does most of the heavy lifting. You can install it directly from the Microsoft Store. Open it, give it administrator permission, and you will see a bunch of different sections. We will start with Apps section. Here, I am simply uninstalling every application that I know I'll never use. If you are not sure what to remove, don't worry, I'll leave a list of apps that are completely safe to uninstall. I also don't install any third-party antivirus because Windows security is already good enough for most users. I am removing the media player as well because I prefer VLC, which supports almost every media format. Now let's move to the tweak section. Just follow along with the settings I am enabling. You can also increase wallpaper quality because Windows compresses wallpapers by default. I am disabling widgets because I never use them. I'm also cleaning up the start menu. Another thing I always disable is web search. Whenever you search from the start menu, Windows mixes your local results with Bing search results, and honestly, I find that more annoying than useful. If I want to search the web, I'll just open my browser. Inside the File Explorer section, I am enabling the Recycle Bin shortcut because I don't keep desktop icons. It keeps the desktop much cleaner. Next is the Privacy section. Here, I recommend disabling almost everything unless you specifically need a feature. The same goes for all the advertising options. There's also an option to instantly end a frozen application directly from the taskbar. It's surprisingly useful, so I recommend enabling it. Apart from that, feel free to enable or disable any extra features depending on your preference. Once you are done, restart your PC. As you can see, we have already cleaned up Windows quite a bit, but we are not done yet. For the last step, we are going to use Titus Windows utility. Simply copy the command from the official GitHub page, open PowerShell as admin, paste it and press enter. If you want to install applications, you can also do that from here, but for this video, we are only focusing on debloating. Go to the tweak section, choose the standard preset. Finally, click Run Tweaks. One thing I won't recommend is blindly enabling every option. Take a minute to read what each setting does and only disable features that you know you don't need. And we are done. Just look at the difference. We went from 199 background processes to just 101. Reduced RAM usage significantly, removed unnecessary apps, disabled annoying ads and tracking features, and made Windows feel much lighter. I also prefer a more minimal desktop, so I hit the search box, task view, and a few other taskbar items. Then I applied a new wallpaper and used TranslucentTB to give the taskbar a cleaner, more modern look. Personally, this is how I like my Windows setup. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like because it really helps the channel. If you have any questions or if you have your own favorite Windows tweaks, let me know down in the comments. And if you are setting up a fresh Windows installation, make sure you are subscribed because in the next video, I'll hopefully show you the essential applications I install after every clean Windows setup. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.